makes 4,000% APY in a day with Kucoin trading bot. In this video review, I'm going to explain what you need to know about this trading bot on Kucoin. And on your home screen, navigate to this section, press this trading bot over here. You're going to see this. Press this trading bot. It's going to bring you to this page. Right here, you have option to trade spot grid or futures grid. Keep volatility by selling high and buying low. See, with this bot, if you sell your parameter around any range, the bot is going to be buying high and be selling low. The same thing applies to this guy over here. This guy have made over 7,000 APR in less than 24 hours. And you see this guy, the top 10 on this chart is 3,000 APY to 7,000 APY. This is how this guy are making money. This is the first time I'm trying this out. You can click on the first guy over here and see the strategy this guy is trading. You can use the same strategy this guy is using. You can just press curate right here, and you can see this range price this guy is trading this coin around this range price. And if this price of this coin went maybe down out of this range, the bot is not going to be selling or buying in this trade again. If you are okay with this, just press this create and it's going to show you this strategy right here. This is the strategy of this guy, and minimum amount you can invest in this grid in this strategy is $34 to $50. You can invest as much as $1,000. And make sure you do your own research before you invest in this. Note there's risk reward investing in crypto. And right here, you have option to use AI strategy. So AI is going to set a parameter, the range price this token, this bot is going to be selling for you and be buying for you. And you have this auto option over here. If you come to this auto option, and the auto option is going to select this range price this bot is going to be selling high and be buying low. And you just need to input the amount of token you want and you want to invest and create. And with this option, you can change the token you want to invest in. You can choose SRP and set this parameter you want, or the amount price, the range you want to be buying, and the high you want to be selling. Around this price, you can sell, you can input the amount of token this bot will be trading at the same time. So you can select 10 or whatsoever order you want this bot to be taking at the same time, and you need to input your amount you want to stake in or invest in. Just press create, and you have option over here to select advanced option over here. Let's say for instance you want to invest $1,000 in this on this trading bot, but you are willing to risk $200. You just need to set your parameter right here. Stopping price, you just need to input the stopping price over here. Let's say outside SRP right here is trading around 0.4. so right here you can choose your 0.3. if SRP is trading this below, you want to stop. And right here, if you choose this and you want to take profit, if SRP is trading around 6, and you can just choose the time you want to enter this, and you want to enter around this price. And with these settings, you can just press create, and you just have to sit back. If this SRP go down to this 0.3 right here, this is the present price. If you go down to this price, this bot is going to stop trading. So you can manage your risk and risk to reward using these advanced settings over here, and it's optional. You can choose to set this or not. If you want to manage your risk, you can set the advanced setting of taking profit or stop loss. And right here, futures grid, and right here you'll be able to go long or short on any asset you think is going to go down in value or go up in value. And you can still use leverage. The first one you can't use leverage, but with this you can use leverage. And this guy are shorting this coin right here, MKR. And Right here, the range price they are shorting this is around 700 to $1,020. And right here, if you are okay with this, you can just press confirm and go short. You can increase your leverage. This guy is using 2x leverage. You can increase your leverage by coming to this option over here and use this option. Increase your leverage. Make sure you know what you are doing before you are using this leverage, and input the range price you want to start trading this, and set this to 1,000. With this option right now, you can start shorting this, and you have set your leverage position, and you want this bot to be shorting this around this range, and at the same time short this maybe five order at the time or 10 order at the time. After you have set this, you just need to, you have the minimum amount you can invest in this bot right now is $50. You can just input your $50, or you want to invest $500, just press this. And remember, you can use this advanced setting of take profit and stop loss, and you just have to follow this step. And remember, before you take any trade, you need to find this token you want to trade. And let's say, for instance, you want to trade this coin, and you just need to come over here. Note if this token is uptrend or downtrend before you go short or long, or you use this bot, so you can have the idea of the range price this token is trading at. And with the knowledge of reading the charts, you know the price you want to set or not. Better still, you can use these guys over here, these guys that are making profit right here. You see 7,000 APR in less than 24 hours. These guys, you can just use their strategy if you don't know how to read charts. So, and if you get value in this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn up your notification bell. Let me know what you think about these trading bots on Kucoin.